Hey guys, what is up? Today we got Raul, we got all of them over there. We got Ronnie, we got Trevor. I don't know if you guys can see. You'll see them up close. So we are taking apart my RMZ, taking the motor out and all that because she is blown up after 23 hours of having it. I don't know why, but so we got everyone up here. I'm about to start taking it apart. We already started a little bit over here. We got all this stuff out. Took the gas tank out. You already drained all the fuel?
There's still some left in me, that's full. Do you have another one?
Shit, it is. Alright, well.
Oh yeah, Trev? Oh yeah?
Alright, well, we're gonna get all this stuff.
So, apparently, I don't know what I'm doing at all. Ever. And the bolt I thought would drain the coolant isn't the bolt that actually drains coolant.
What did you take out?
I'm never listening to you, Trev.
What did you
never
take
listening
out?
to me. We haven't taken out a single thing yet, but
You sure?
Suzuki,
Yeah.
or Sosaki, as I like to call it,
Give me a bucket that you dumped.
really is annoying.
Perfect. Bucket.
What do you guys think? You think it was Gabe's fault? Bike blew up at 20-something hours? Or do you think it was Suzuki's fault? I don't know. It's locked up right now. Literally only has 27 hours.
It's on, it's on.
You
I got
recording?
it. Red is on.
Let me see if you're recording. Alright, yeah, you're recording.
Alright. So,
Alright, tilt
we're
the
draining the
bike this way.
coolant. Ronnie finally
In
got a job holding the bike.
Yep.
Okay, so the radiators are off now, and we also got the subframe off. I don't know what Ronnie's doing. Kind of scaring me holding the radiator, but
Making progress, boys.
Gabe's also filming for no reason. Didn't ask him to,
I
but
do a gram update.
that's okay. That's alright. Anyways,
You guys think you're really wow.
there's bigger things to worry about than cleaning the radiator right now.
Clap. The whole thing's clapped. The whole, but yeah, exactly.
But on the bright side, we got a new air filter.
Yeah.
Woo!
Welcome to Domino's.
Yeah.
Gabe, at least you got a new air filter.
20 hours. Thing's missing freaking 3 teeth in the sprocket.
20. What is it, Raul? 23.5. 23.5. Would you look at this? What do you think it is, Trevor? The top end or the bottom end of the bike that's wrong? I think it's top end. Top end? No, top end. But his start, because my top end of my KX didn't start. Because when my top end was clapped, it didn't start. So it could be the bottom end.
What do you mean?
Well, when my KX blew up, it was the top end and it didn't start. His starts. So it might be the bottom.
It also locked up.
It could be the crank, the cam, could be something.
Both cams. These freaking manufacturers, man, making dual overhead camshafts. There's no...
Give me the Allen keys right there. What's up? What do you need?
There's no point.
There should be an Allen key.
That's why Honda's had the most success for a while, and
Not true.
the 250F class Unicam, man, so reliable.
Yeah, they went dual overhead key.
Because they're idiots.
Hey, I got a 2018, man. Don't
Yeah,
drop.
it's a piece.
Dude, I'm telling you, people that's gonna buy a Honda, the suspension's stuck for stock.
What happened the first day at the track, Ronnie? You blew a front tire out?
Yeah, that was the first day.
Even the tires are clapped on the new CRF 250R.
You want to get into it? It's gonna be expensive.
This bike's starting to look like Ronnie Mac's. Except his bike's a little bit better off. Alright, I'm not really sure what our next step is, but okay, we'll update you guys when we get there. Finish taking the airbox out. We're gonna leave the shock on, leave the wheels on. Pretty much just gonna take the motor out, clean her up. Alright,
That's not gonna come out.
everyone, check out what's going on. Ronnie's trying to pull this bolt out by hand.
He's got a turbo blow off.
It's not gonna happen.
Friggin' twin turbo,
Just pull it out. What's taking you guys so long?
27 pounds of boost in those hands right now.
Stock rods and everything. God damn, guys, come on. Why don't you do it? You guys, I'll come back.
The tension is real, the struggle's real.
Ow!
me see that.
I got boo boo. Give me shit, I'm done. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Ronnie, come hold the brake again.
Bolts ruin friendships.
Why weren't you doing that in the first place?
That's what I was saying. Put something inside and hit it.
Alright guys, so we lost our cameraman while we went to work. He went home to go do his things. So, this is our current location on the bike. You got that bolt off right there. That bolt off right there. Chain off. I just noticed, thank God. Holy crap. My front sprocket is definitely, come on, focus. Let's go. Obviously, as a mechanic, even though I'm not really a mechanic, the 10 went missing. Oh shit. Yo, where'd the 10 go? That's not a 10.
It's better than nothing. So is Mason coming up?
Yeah, Mason should be here coming up soon. But why is that? Found it.
We should go right to Mason's house. Why is he so slow?
Ronnie, we are focused more on a different bike. Alright, well, time has come. Everything's disconnected, I think. I hope. Time to pull it out. Alright, Ronnie, like, keep brake. Actually, you know what? It's fine.
I'll just film it.
That's fine, it's fine. Leave it right there. Alright guys, I got a quick sandwich. I'm not hungry. What's up with you? I just stuffed you. Finally out after the struggles. Well, so next up, try to figure out how that thing works. And kind of put my bike back together, just like the swing arm and stuff. See how everything goes. Alright, I'll show you guys when everything's done. Alright, so we called it. Called it. Spilt the coolant.
It is sweet, but it's poison, so you might die.
Don't try that at home.
No, it's not.
Alright,
Don't.
well,
You would die.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. So we got the bike.
It's a Power Ranger.
Alright, shut up. We got the bike all kind of back together just for now. Took a little while. Gotta open this up soon then. Gotta figure out how all that works.
Do you have any speedy dry?
No. Just throw some sand.
Dude, what's gonna be a glitch? Cement dust? Hey, would cement dust work?
Well, we can cut Gabe. Let's turn the start on this a bit, though.
Hey, Gabe.
What?
Get these.
Dude.
No, get the one.
Ooh. Yeah, that turbo?
Scared the shit out of me. No, that's okay.
That was a turbo.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Dude, no, the fuck it wasn't.
Yes, it was. Oh, hey guys. I forgot to tell you guys. I got my truck deleted. I'll get more info on that next video or whatever. Finally got it deleted. I'll do a. What the fuck are you doing? What in the world are you doing, Ronnie?
You told me to get some stands, I got some cement dust and just kind of trying to clean.
Oh my goodness.
Don't judge me! You too.
No, as you were saying, I was serious, dude. Your truck is so much easier to drive with the fucking trailer than if